Welcome to day 24. Build a brand people remember. Become known for one clear belief. Welcome back. Over the past few days, we've talked about creating content. Today, we go one level deeper. The goal isn't just to post, the goal is to become memorable. What do you want to be known for? When someone hears your name, what is the first thing you want them to think? If you can't answer that question, your brand isn't clear yet. Stop trying to reach everyone. Trying to speak to everyone usually means connecting with no one. Become the person known for solving one specific problem for one specific group of people. Clarity attracts. Great brands, great brands stand for something. People remember brands because of what they believe. Think about companies you admire. You probably remember their message more than their products. Your business works the same way. People remember beliefs, like Nike, just do it, right? So, what do you believe? Ask yourself, what do I genuinely believe about building an online business? For example, I believe beginners can learn this. I believe people deserve more control over their income. I believe attraction works better than chasing. I believe consistency beats complexity. Those beliefs become your content. Stand for something. People are drawn to leaders with conviction. For my business, I stand for attraction over chasing, simplicity over overwhelm, 2 focused hours instead of endless busy work, building valuable digital skills. Your beliefs become your brand. Stand against something. Every strong brand also rejects something. You might stand against cold messaging strangers, trading all your time for money, constant hustle, complicated business models, trying every new trend. You're defining your approach, not attacking others. Positioning creates authority. Authority isn't created by saying you're an expert. It's created by consistently communicating one clear message. When people know what you believe, they begin to remember you. Your brand is a promise. Your brand is the promise people associate with your name. When I follow this person, I always learn how to build an online business simply. That consistency builds trust. The vehicle versus the destination. Your business model is the vehicle. The customer's dream is the destination. Don't only talk about digital marketing or whatever your business is. Talk about more choices, more freedom, more control, more confidence. The destination is what people truly want. Create a movement. People enjoy belonging to something bigger than themselves. Instead of simply selling a product, invite people into a mission. A movement has a shared belief and a shared destination. Keep repeating the message. You do not need a new message every day. You need one message repeated in different ways. The more consistently people hear it, the more they associate it with you. Simple positioning formula. I help person overcome problems so they can desired outcome. Example, I helped overworked beginners build another income stream so they have more freedom and more choices. Simple always wins. Build content around your belief. Every piece of content should reinforce your positioning. Ask yourself, does this post strengthen what I want to be known for? If not, rewrite it. Ignore the noise. Not everyone will agree with your message. That's normal. If your positioning is clear, some people will disagree. Others will become loyal followers. Leadership requires both. Connected to your revenue goal. Remember the goal. For my business, 8 customers times 1,400 equals $11,200 because our top product sells for 1,400. So you don't need thousands of customers. You need the right people to believe you're the right guide. Strong positioning helps attract those people. Your 3 brand statements. Complete these 3 statements. I believe, I help, the future I want for my audience is. These become the foundation of your brand. Today's assignment, write your 3 brand statements, then create one short video answering, what do I want to become known for? Speak from your own experience. Keep it simple. The strongest brands aren't built by posting more. They're built by standing for something worth remembering. See you tomorrow for day 25. Expect miracles. Be magnificent and have an amazing day. God bless.